Hello everyone, this is Kalpana working as an assistant professor in SNS College of Technology at Artificial Intelligence and Data Science Department. Today we are going to see Natural Language Processing Introduction. This is our session agenda. Today we'll begin with the think session. Then we'll see the introduction of natural language processing, origin and challenges, and some real-time applications of NLP. If you want to translate from one language to another language, this Google Translation and some other tools are available. So these tools are used for translation, language translation purpose. If I want to translate a particular sentence from English to German or Japanese, Hindi or to Tamil to any other language, so this Google Translate is very useful. And the same case, if you are going to use any chatbot like ChatGPT, Gemini, Meta, or whatever maybe the chatbot you are using, we are just going to type the query like this, and instantly you get a response. You get the answer from the chatbot. So how it happens? Just a tool or a system, a machine, you're entering some sentence, it is converting into some other language, it is translating into some other language, and moreover, if you want to type any query, it is giving back you the result, it is giving you the response. How it happens, how a machine generates response, as well as how it translates from one language to another language. Okay, we'll see how it happens. So there is a concept behind this translation, this prompt response, generating response, everything. There is a concept behind. So that is nothing but natural language processing. So every day we'll be using these applications, these features for our daily activities. Starting from autocorrect, if we type anything in Google search box, if we type anything incorrectly, automatically it corrects it. Automatically Google corrects it. This also happens with the WhatsApp also. If you type any message incorrectly, it will suggest it, it will correct it automatically. So that is the autocorrect feature we use every day. And also voice to text, we can convert our speech to text form. Also we'll be using spam filters. Spam filters is one of the example. This feature we'll be using if we receive any junk, or if we receive any fake emails, so that will be sent to the spam folder in your Gmail. Okay, and next is Siri, Alexa, Siri, Alexa and Google understanding our accent. So it will understand our accent and it will understand our language, then it will do what we say, right? Alexa, Siri, everything is for that purpose. We'll be using this. And then next is Grammarly. Okay, if we have a document, you want to check for, if you want to check for the grammar corrections, so you can use this Grammarly. So we'll be using these features every day in our day-to-day life. Okay, so what is behind these things? Autocorrect is happening, so automatically it correcting the spelling, and voice to text, it is understanding our human voice, and then it is converting into the text form. Then spam filters, it is identifying it is the fake email, it is the correct email, it is understanding it with the help of the subject line. And next is understanding our accent, understanding our slang, and it is doing that regarding activity. Okay, also Grammarly checks for the sentence pattern and grammatical errors, everything. How it happens? So what is behind these things? So behind these applications, your natural language processing plays an important role. So with the help of natural language processing techniques and strategies, these things are happening: autocorrect, voice to text, or spam filtering, checking the grammar in the sentence or the document, understanding our slang. So these things are happening with the help of our NLP, natural language processing. So that is our topic, that is our subject we are going to deal with this semester. And this is the definition of natural language processing. As I told you, you are going to type anything in the chatbot. If you want any answer from the chatbot, you're just going to type that query, which means you are going to type that prompt to the chatbot and it is giving back the response. So behind the scenes, what happens? You're typing the query, your system, your chatbot is understanding that question, which means it is interpreting that question, then it is giving back you the response in the form of text or image or whatever you want. Okay, so the definition of natural language processing is, it is a field of AI. Of course, it is a field of artificial intelligence, because the machine itself is doing some process and it is giving back the response. It is a field of AI and it understands our human language. Natural language is nothing but our human language. Okay, it understands our human language, it processes it, it interprets it, what it may be, what it will be like, it processes your query, it processes your prompt, and then based on that it gives back you the result. It generates the human language in a way that is, it should be meaningful as well as it will be helpful to you. So that is very much important. Okay, so 3 things your natural language NLP will do. What is that? One is, it should understand your it should understand your language, it should interpret what you are asking, and the third thing is, it has to generate the response. These things it has to do. So with this, we'll be completing this session. So we'll be seeing the phases of NLP and applications of NLP in the next session. Thank you.